What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm finally posting another video. It's been like about, I don't know, 9 or 12 days since I posted a normal video, except for ranking food and stuff. But today we're gonna be doing this game called Retro Garage. It's where you like repair cars and get money and do a lot of stuff in there. Okay, it just needs to boot up. And plus, if you guys want a shout out, you have to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell if you want to know what the next time when I post. Okay. Welcome to the Retro Garage. The workshop opened yesterday and we already have customers. Click on the job button to talk to the client. Okay. Is some guy hit my car while I was changing lanes? Will you fix my rear left fender? Okay, I get 100 whatever transaction I have. Like euros. Oh, swipe, rotate. Okay. I guess this one's the fender that broke. Oh. Drag the broken part in to repair. Okay. Okay. Drag it back. We did it. Okay. There's more people. A lady cut right in front of me and scratched my fender. Can you look? Okay. It's pretty much the same thing. Okay. I don't know if I want to plan on doing this as a series, but I'll try to. Okay. It says my hood got jammed and the trunk door is rusted. Can you? Okay. Okay. Bolt. And they said the back is rusted. Okay, we fixed another car. That's our third car. Let's do more. I hit a really deep pothole on the way to work. Okay. I don't know why the tire is so brown. But I guess we're doing good. The engine is overheating. I think the problem. Okay. Oh. Okay, start it up. What is condition? Oh, you could see which one's the bad one, like the fan. Nope. No, stop. Dude. Okay, that was hard. Okay, place it back on. We already reached level 2, and I think we're done with the day. New day, we have more customers. It won't start. Okay, what's wrong? Okay, I see the starter right there. Repair that. Boom. Okay. Someone broke their windshield. New catalog? What? They have every single part. So this is a windshield, I guess. Oh, that was easy. Okay. What's the next one? I was driving and suddenly my front wheel came off. I couldn't catch it. Aww. And plus, this guy does not even have a spare. You're supposed to have a spare. So it's front right. Okay, here it is. We got that one done fast. Okay. Let's do another one. I turn the ignition key and nothing happens. It's time to buy a new car? No. Your battery's dead. I can't fix this. I have to order a new one. Do I? Yep, I do. And then the brake servo is broken. Put that back on and boom, you got a new car. No more customers, so let's go home. It's Wednesday. Time flies so fast. Let's get to work. Okay. The engine is overheating and it starts with difficulty. Could you see what's wrong with it? Okay. Nice car. There's something broken here. It's the radiator. Let's fix that. Okay, we got fan. And then let's put that back on. I found this. Starter's broken. Plus, this is a different car that I did. Okay, leech level 3. Selly. Terrible. This is a car that's selling good. That actually is not too bad. Terrible. We got another bad. We got an average. We got a good. Average, okay. I can't go to any of these places except for the museum. We got this one, and this one. Actually, no, we have this one and this one. This one and this one's not the one we saw. Okay, we got a garage and a store. But we had to get to a certain amount of level. Okay. He wants to fix the 4-wheel drive on the car. Okay. So we have to go here, and I see a lot of stuff. Okay. Let's just prepare all the stuff first. Front drive shaft. We need a new front drive shaft. Okay. Okay. We're gonna probably go to day 5 or 10. Okay. What did they say again? I want sports. Put sports bumpies and rear spoiler in the back. Okay. He wants sports bumper. Okay, this one, and a fender. Okay, it's at the bottom. Get rid of the bumper. And get that. Okay, no one's here. Commercial break.
This makes you sound like a totally different person. Typical voice changer would sound like this. It's a person. It's not AI.
Dude, I don't want no voice changer app. What the heck happened to this guy's car? I was in an accident and my beauty's front is not the same. His front car is destroyed. Okay, let's repair this. Put that back on. We need a front panel and probably a bumper. What? Okay, we got the radiator. It's broken. Okay, we fixed it. Someone stole my sports wheels. Should we pick up some cheaper ones? So he wants probably like normal wheels. Okay. Okay, let's do this fast. Okay. Boom. His car sucks. It looks ugly. Okay. I want to install a roof rack. If the back door needs to be replaced too, I'll cover the cost. Nothing seems wrong, but he wants a top rack on it. Okay, there's the roof rack. Wait, I cannot be until the roof is installed. Wait. Oh, that's the awning. We need to get him a new roof. So, nope, this one. What? Okay. I'm so confused. Okay, there's a back door window. Oh, back door window. Okay, we need a new back door. Back door window. Oh, we need side. I think what we need side windows. Okay, we got that done. We got new car. Yay. Let's go to day 10. Let's try to go to day 10, guys. What the heck? That's not real. I'm not getting that. I know how cool it looks, but I'm not getting that. Because I don't want to get ripped off by some Gen Alpha wallpapers. Okay, we're back. We're at day 5. And no. I'm having some problems with the suspension. It's banging on every bump. Oh my goodness. Rear axle, rear brake. Dang it. Okay, get rid of these. We need new rear springs. Okay. Repair that. No need to just do the front. I'm getting good at this, guys. Okay. Front springs, we need new front springs. Okay. We did it, guys. That took so long. I was driving through the roads and I noticed the drop. I stayed in one piece, but the front suspension is gone. Oh my goodness, this guy decimated his car. Oh my goodness, there's so much. The white ones are pretty much garbage. Okay, let's just. It ain't too bad. Front springs. Okay, we need front springs. And front brakes. And plus I need to get this guy some new front tires. What else is missing? Oh my goodness. Disassembled. What am I missing? Here, I'm trying to look. Brake servos still there. Transfer case. I have no clue what's missing. Oh, steering rack. Nope. Maybe front shock absorbers are missing, unless this car doesn't have them. Yeah, this car does not have. Oh wait, front shock absorbers. Okay, that took so long. Okay, what's wrong with this? Oh my goodness, the whole entire chassis is destroyed. Okay, let's just tear this apart. I probably want to get a car for myself soon. Because why not? Because I always want a car in this game. Okay, the base. New base. Okay. I'm almost done. There. Okay, I'm just gonna end the video off of here. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.